Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight, we will discuss about the wiring diagram of hazard light circuit. Ang hazard guys circuit kagaya ra din sa signal light guys, pero sabay lang siya yung apat na ilaw guys mag-hazard sa backlight at saka sa front light. Sabay siya guys ang apat na ilaw. Okay, we will explain guys. This is backlight sa rear light natin, signal light and hazard light sa left side. This is sa center is stop light and tail light. Then the dulo is backup light or reverse light. The same also guys dito guys. Backup light, stop light and tail light, then signal light and hazard light. Ang hazard natin guys na cable patungo doon sa ilaw sa front guys, sa left side also. Kukonek natin guys, nakaseries siya. Then dito na tayo mag-umpisa guys sa battery. Ito yung ground guys, body ground, negative, positive, 12 volts battery. Then ang positive patungo sa ammeter, positive terminal, then ang negative patungo sa ignition switch, B terminal. Then ST, ito yung sa starting natin system. Then ING, ignition system. Then dito tayo kukonek sa ECC, accessories, yung fuse box natin. Tapos ang fuse box na connect sa placer. Pareho lang din guys, na connect yung guwa natin guys. Nako-connect lang din guys sa placer. Sa placer lang tayo kukuha. Pero dito guys, dalawa na yung L natin guys. Ang isang connection sa L guys, naka-connect sa hazard switch. Ang isa namang L patungo sa signal light natin guys. Individual sila guys. Kasi magkaiba sila ng switch guys. Controller. Then, ang hazard switch natin guys, tatlo yung terminal. Sa center, sa battery, then yung sa gilid doon, patungo sa left, isa sa right. Kasi sila guys, dito guys. Tapos, pag i-on siya guys, sabay siya, umilaw yung apat. Mag-hazard guys. Dahil wala siyang direction, parang headlight switch siya guys, ipupull out. I-on mo lang siya. Then another wiring diagram of tail light circuit. Ito guys, tail light guys. Ito yun sa backlight, signal light and tail light, hazard light. Then stop light and tail light. Then backup light. Then ito yung plate light guys. Connect sa tail light. Then dito naka-series plate light. Then ito sa tail light. Backup light, stop light and tail light. Then signal and hazard light. Then ito yung battery, 12 volts. Negative, body ground. Tapos ang positive patungo sa ammeter. Then ang ammeter negative patungo sa ignition switch. Then ST starting system. Then ING ignition system. Then ECC accessories. Connect natin yung fuse box guys. Then ang fuse box na connect sa headlight battery. Tapos yung headlight switch guys, apat yung terminal, battery, it's park light and tail light. Sa tail light natin i-connect guys ang cable patungo sa ating tail light sa likod guys, pula na ilaw. Ang isa sa stop light. Yung malakas ang ilaw guys, yan ang stop light. Kung mahina ang ilaw, park tail light yun guys. Tapos naka-jumper yung plate light. Pag i-on, umilaw din to guys. Pag on sa switch. Bible verse of the day. Matthew chapter 1 verse 23. Behold, a virgin shall be with child, and shall bring forth a son, and they shall call his name Emmanuel, which being interpreted is God with us. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.